Okay, so in the previous video, we have seen about how to create the floor and how to copy paste the floor with different level and how to create our custom floor, how to edit the type of the floor and how to add the different layers to the floor, all that things that we have seen in the previous video. Now, in this video, we are going to see much more detail about placing the rooms. Okay. So here, as you can see in the level 1 view, we have different sets of rooms are there. So here all these things are displayed as an office, and this is the gallery and this one is the foyer. So I want to identify each and everything by placing the rooms. Okay. So first of all, here there is a command of room and the shortcut of room is RM. So if you will be just type RM, you can use this command. Notice that in the preview section as well, the room has been created and you can select the room and you can edit the things as well. So we will review all these things in very detail. So use the room command. Always save the project for the reminder if it is asking. Now I want to create my first room somewhere about here. So click inside this. Now double escape and I want to use room number is 101 and room name is office. Okay. Similarly, I want to create different set of rooms. So room number 102. As you can see here, it is renamed to 101. So it is automatically created to 102. Okay. So similarly, 103, 4, 5, 6. Click here. Now here it is room tag here. Door tag is 109. So I want to use 109 and continue placing the room 110, 111, 112, 13 and 40. So up to this point we don't find much more difficulties. It is very easy steps. Now we want rename all the rooms to the office. So if we will do the steps of rename the room by individual one by one, then it will be take much more timing. So what I will do, I will be select everything and simply click on filter and check none and make sure room tags should be selected and click OK. So only room tags are now filtered from our selection, and here it is displays the room tag properties. So if I want to use room tag with area, so as you can see at each and everything area is now going to be displayed. Similarly, I want to select everything, go to filter, check none and click on rooms. Now in the properties, here there is an option of name and choose office and click on apply. Notice that each and every room now has been renamed to the office. Great. Now here what is happening, your walls are automatically divides the rooms. So here if you will use the room command, then your walls will be automatically divide the room. So there is no need to use room separator. But here what is happen, if I will be use the room command and move the mouse here, as you can see it is cover everything, but I want to separate the thing. So what I want to do, I want to use room separator command. So clicking on room separator, this is my first point of room separator, this is my second point, and now if I will be use room command, yeah, this is what we want. We want to divide this area into two portions. Okay. Now we will rename. So double escape and rename it to the gallery and rename this thing as a foyer. If you want to display the area, you can select these two things and clicking on room tag with area as well. Now, right now, as you can see, the area is displayed 4680 square feet. So if you will be go to the Manage tab and click on project units, here there is area. So area is displayed as a square feet with 0 decimal places. So if you want to display 3 decimal places, okay. Now as you can see 3 decimal places, the room tags areas is now displayed. If instead of square feet, if you want to display square inches, so you can also changing out from here square inches and unit symbol is I in square. Okay, so like this way you can change your project settings of your model as well. So notice that in the first floor we have added all the rooms. Now we want to create colorful room schedule. So for that you can go to the Annotate tab and here there is option of color fill legend. Notice that in the preview you can see different set of rooms are displayed with different set of colors. So you can click at anywhere and here there is option rooms and we want to display as a name. So space type should be room and color scheme display as a name. Click OK. Right now it is applying random color. So as you can see we have mainly 3 rooms: foyer, gallery and office. Now notice if I want to rename this room to the, let's say, mechanical electrical room, enter. So notice that its color has been changed and it has been automatically added at here as well. So this is the power of the Revit. Now if you want to edit this color scheme, so you can select the room legend and click on edit scheme, and from here you will be able to choose different color. Let's say I want to choose the light color and click OK in the foyer. As you can see in the foyer, light color has been applied. So like this way you can create your colorful room schedule as well. So what is the procedure? You have to use color fill legend command and you have to click at anywhere and you can select room name and room number and select that, go to the edit scheme, and from here you will be use different settings.